Guys, if you are looking for a property here in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, near Metro Manila through NLEX, please continue to watch this video. And we are here right now, guys, in a gated and secured subdivision in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. And in front of me is our model unit with 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, 2 carports with living and dining area, and of course with huge balcony sa second floor. So if you are interested, please continue to watch this video. Okay, so guys, this is your pocket garden, and you have here your 2 carports, and you have an extra space on my gilid. Okay, and this is your community, guys. Napakatahimik, secured kasi meron tayong guard 24/7. Right? Okay, let's check our model unit. Let's go. So upon entry, guys, you will be welcomed by your cozy living area. And ang lalaki ng mga glass windows para natural source of light and also for natural ventilation na din. And this is your dining area. And what I love about this model unit, guys, is meron siyang room sa ground floor. So friendly siya para sa mga may kasamang ganda sa bahay. And this is your toilet and bath sa may ground floor. And you have an extra space sa ilalim ng hagdan. Okay, so isa din sa mga features ng bahay na ito, guys, ay nakahiwalay yung kitchen. So kung luluto tayo, living and dining. And you have here your entry and exit point going to your service area. And open space. Malalaki kasi yung cut ng lote sa subdivision. Okay, so check natin yung second floor. Let's go. So second floor, guys, meron tayong 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. And your access going to your balcony. Okay, so this is your family den. Though actually you can still convert this into a room. Okay, right, so this is your bedroom 2. Ang walas ng pinyan, hindi na natin kailangan pa magbukas ng bintana. Ay bukas na bigla, maaliwalas na siya. Para sa mga malalaking glass windows. Okay, so this is your bedroom 3. And of course,